All right, guys, we're looking at this Winnebago Voyage 3134Rl out here at San Antonio RVs, San Antonio, Texas. Stick around, you're going to love this Winnebago. All right, guys. So we are looking at this 2021 Winnebago fifth wheel. And I'm really liking the stuff that Winnebago is doing. So this nice little access above here, and a 50 amp cable kind of sitting there. See a bunch of your framing. Just a nice kind of storage area you can get into there. In this bottom area, we're going to look at, this is going to be where your generator would go. Nothing in there right now, but got a lot of room in that little front garage there. So. All right, look at the numbers. Gross combined vehicle weight rating is going to be 16,000 pounds. Cargo, 4,922 pounds. This is going to ride on dual 7,000 pound axles. Stepping back, on this side, looks like this bedroom slide up here is going to be a Schwintek slide, and that back slide is going to be a rack and pinion. All right, so opening this compartment up, this has got a battery box in it that's vented to the outside. Bunch of fuses and battery disconnect switch there. Kind of nice to have a electrical panel area where all the wirings come together. It'd be a really great place to put in inverters and already is kind of set there. So open up this door. All right, giant pass-through storage, of course. Coming back out of there, you got your spray port and your water docking station with the plug and your cable. 50 amp connector, back of the Dometic water heater, back of the furnace. Looks like we got our low point drains right there. Gas lines, here's a sewage out drain, here's the sewer out right here. All right, so fridge vent, rack and pinion slide. So looking down underneath here, you've got dual high-spec 16-inch G-rated tires with a Road Armor suspension. You can see your ground control. Really nice window across the back. Voyager cam, pre-wired. LED lights, ladder, full walk-on roof. Got a hitch in the bottom. That's not for towing though. It's just for a carrier. All right, let's move around to the other side. This unit's got a Rotaflex pin box. In the front here, dual 30-pound propane tanks across from where the electrical compartment is. This is the other side of that giant pass-through storage. Outside speakers, outlet. This is going to be another rack and pinion slide. And that is going to do it for the outside. Of course, you got a power awning across the first half of the front there. Mow ride step above steps. This is a Winnebago 3134Rl Asdale sidewall construction, 3-year warranty, Explorer package, Comfort Tech package. In we go. All right, darling, what have we got going on inside of this unit?
All right, here in the master bedroom, You've got your washer dryer connections in this closet here with some extra storage space. You have this really large dresser that's got 4 big drawers in it and 3 smaller drawers with some counter space. You have a decent sized walk-in closet that is all hanging. You have king size bed.
Yeah.
It has power outlets and USB on both sides of the bed. Has decent storage underneath. The bathroom is pretty large. I like the marble like in the shower. I do love the stainless steel sink. It has a glass door. So you step down into the kitchen, you have marble countertops, which is really nice with these little drop-in plates and a farm style sink. You have a pantry, a nice little coffee bar with a power station, more storage space, a really nice area under there. You have power outlets and USB in the island. So you have this gas electric fridge, a Dometic. Has these little bars that are built in to keep your things from flying off the shelf while you travel. That's pretty neat.
Yeah, that's really neat.
I like the space in the doors. Double freezer. You have a micro convection oven. That's a really nice size micro convection oven. 3-burner cooktop that has a solid steel piece on top. Solid steel grate. A small oven with a drawer. You have very large cabinets on either side of the stove with drawers. You have this really large space underneath the sink. I really like that. And again, you have some very large cupboards over the entertainment center. You have a fireplace with 2 more storage access points. The slides are not flush. You have you have a couch that makes out into a bed, and there's storage and USB on either side of the couch and the end tables. You have more storage above. You have privacy shades. You have your theater seating, and again, this is the that Tuff-X fabric, so it's really easy to clean. You have a table that has the faux live edge finish on it, and in this living area you have USBs on nearly every wall. You've got some in the corner over here by the dinette. You've got more next to the theater seating, and then again on either side of the couch.
Very nice. So really nice fifth wheel. Winnebago's kind of upped their game a little bit. We saw some of this at the Tampa RV show. So if you ever get a chance to walk through some of these, then you definitely should. So this is the 2021 Winnebago 3134RL. Take care of each other. Love each other.
Make every moment count.
See you next time, guys.